Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Kia Picanto Si, stock reference number 5663. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2015 through to the 4th month 2017. It has a G4LA 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4LA 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left power door mirror, has the clear coat peeling. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.